when Doggo was extremely curious why the cow could eat grass every day.
Whee!
In his previous life, this kitty must have been a bat who loved to hang out every day. What if Human and her friends were all Harry Potter fans? The kind chicken probably just wanted to free his friend who was locked in there.
Are you mad? It's just you. Hold on. Don't hurt yourself. 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 Come here, Pee-Pee. Yeah.
His eyes were only on Mama, no longer concerned with anything else.
Ooh! Ooh!
When Mama changed her makeup layout today and he thought she was a kidnapper. When Doggo doesn't want to waste water on a car he doesn't like. This must have been a shock that Benny could never get over.
Bang!
No matter how busy he is, Sheba still prioritizes washing his own feet.
Speak. Louder. Speak. That's not speak. Speak. Oh my god. God, speak. No. Speak. No. Louder. Here.
This cat must have been treated to lots of delicious treats at the neighbor's house. Silly Pup thinks his ball's trapped in another dimension.
Amor, mírala ahí, bebé, ahí ve, al frente tuyo. ¿No la ves? La ves en el espejo.
This chill guy probably doesn't know that he's the reason why so many people are late today.